The month of October is almost here, and we have some news that might have your portfolios going greener than a ridiculously charged Tesla Model S. Come along as we reveal the strategies, the turning points, and the in-depth analysis of the advancements that will make October a pivotal month for investors in Tesla stock. Don't pass up this thrilling journey to monetary achievement. Here, we've compiled all the information you require. Please make sure to hit the like and subscribe buttons before we move on. Let's get this video going, and welcome to Tesla Stock News. Recently, there has been an increasing amount of mystery and conjecture around the stock market. A few months ago, observers of the market appeared to nod collectively, indicating that the available evidence was beginning to make increasing sense. To put things in perspective, we are currently navigating the treacherous waters of a late-cycle scenario, so investors are being cautious. There has been a lot of uncertainty over the past year. Some people held out hope for a more gentle economic landing in the upcoming year, while others wrongly expected a recession in the first half of this year. Unfortunately, last summer's optimism may have been a little too early and expensive. Consequently, we have seen investors being jostled by market fluctuations. Upon closer scrutiny, several sectors, most notably consumer stocks, are collapsing, despite the fact that the overall market averages may have only dropped by 4 to 5%. This decline is consistent with the attitude we talked about off-camera, which is that middle-class and lower-class consumer savings are declining, a worry that is now also affecting those in higher tiers. Apart from that, the student loan moratorium is another unpredictability that could influence the economy's course in the last quarter. Better news. Thanks to Tesla, the electric vehicle market has taken off, elevating electric automobiles from curiosity to highly sought-after possession. Nonetheless, experts predict that Tesla's explosive rise will slow down as the sector develops. It begs the question, will Tesla's upward trajectory continue? What plans do they have in place to guarantee continued growth? Without a question, Tesla is kicking it up a notch with its ambitious objectives, cutting-edge models, production capability, and innovative battery technology. Although there is no denying the buzz surrounding Tesla, there are rumblings of doubt. Many are concerned about whether Tesla can meet rising demand or pulled into its top spot as competition heats up. Dispelling or validating these rumors, today's talk will go in-depth on Tesla's strategies to maintain its stock's high growth and the rationale behind its anticipated stock rise in the upcoming months, particularly in light of the difficult financial environment they've survived. Let's jump right into the hottest subjects of the day, with Tesla taking center stage. It's interesting to note that Deutsche Bank has shifted from a $1,300 price objective to $285 in relation to Tesla. Emmanuel Rosner, an analyst, expressed worries that Tesla would miss its production and delivery goals for Q3. The bank also highlights a possible negative in Tesla's growth and earnings estimates for 2024. Given his market power, Rosner's study is especially noteworthy since it suggests that Tesla may be changing its approach and may not be continuing to grow its businesses in Austin and Berlin. It's important to comprehend why specific sectors of the market, particularly consumer equities, are suffering the most amid the turbulent waves. The shifting global economic environment is wearing thin on consumers, who are typically thought of as the engine of the economy. Their diminishing savings are more than simply figures on a chart. They speak to a larger story of financial hardship and the ensuing reduction in expenditure. This pattern presents a complex picture of the impending economic season, especially in light of the uncertainties surrounding the student loan moratorium. Will consumers make a comeback or become even more frugal with their money? On the other hand, Tesla seems to be a shining example of creativity during these difficult times. Their daring actions in the EV sector have upended conventional automotive paradigms and established the benchmark for what electric mobility ought to entail. But enormous success also brings much more scrutiny. The fact that investors, market experts, and even ordinary bystanders are intently following Tesla's every move, whether its production goals or expansion strategies, underlines the brand's enormous influence on the market. But no business, including Tesla, can afford to sit back and take it all too easy, even after achieving success in the past. Competition is trying to march in rather than just knock on doors. With large financial backing and creative thinking, up-and-coming electric vehicle companies are competing for a piece of the market that Tesla holds. With competition growing, one must wonder how Tesla will develop going forward to keep its advantage. The recent downward reduction of Tesla's price objective by Deutsche Bank is just one of many signs that there may be some challenges ahead. Analyst forecasts such as Rosner's act as both guides and warning signs when markets change. potential choices made by Tesla, like re-evaluating its growth in Austin and Berlin, are not just business moves. Rather, they are a reflection of bigger changes in the manufacturing sector, customer preferences, and the state of the global economy. Stakeholders from around the industry will be watching this captivating story with interest, curious to see how Tesla handles these unfamiliar waters. More turns and turns, as well as about opening up new vistas. Any hiccups or delays could halt their fast-paced goals and potentially weaken their position in this expanding sector. But this shouldn't keep people up at night if they have a long-term goal. Are you curious as to why? Now, let's explore further. Examining Tesla's growth map in detail is quite fascinating. They are getting ready for the world premiere of a little phenomenon that goes by the name of Model 2. What's the buzz about? With this car, people who have been waiting impatiently for a Tesla that isn't too expensive will finally be able to realize their dream of owning one. The CEO of Tesla, Elon Musk, made a hint about cutting production costs in half during the company's most recent investor conference. The trade secret, updated production processes, and the new car platform that will be released from the Gigafactory in Mexico. The goal is to produce automobiles under $30,000 that can compete with more established gasoline-powered models, such as the Toyota Corolla. This is a doorway leading a wider audience into the electric world, not merely a game-changer. Lars Moravi, Vice President of Vehicle Engineering at Tesla, provided more context by highlighting the power of scale. He explained that lower manufacturing costs are a natural consequence of increased production volumes. He underlined that this tactical strategy, together with cutting-edge EV platforms, is essential to Tesla's goals of reaching long-term production milestones. Every new Tesla model reflects the worldwide zeitgeist towards sustainability and embodies not just technology and innovation, but also a tangible feeling of aspiration. It should come as no surprise that the electric vehicle market has experienced unparalleled expansion, with Tesla frequently leading this development. Did you know that Tesla is experimenting with renewable energy sources in addition to automobiles? In an effort to create a cleaner grid, their solar roof and Powerwall technologies are revolutionizing how homes use and store energy. The company's achievements in solar energy and EV technology together provide a comprehensive picture of a future in which our cars and homes coexist in a sustainable ecology. The effects of Tesla's innovations are far-reaching. The demand for effective, environmentally friendly transportation grows as cities get denser. One day, Tesla's battery technology advancements may power public transportation options that change cities and the air we breathe. It is impossible to talk about Tesla's accomplishments without bringing up Elon Musk, the mysterious man who founded the company. The connecting themes throughout Musk's endeavors, SpaceX, Neuralink, and the Boring Company, are sustainability, exploration, and pushing the envelope of what's feasible. Tesla appears to be headed straight for the stars under Musk's leadership. But difficulties always accompany any success story. Both established manufacturers and recent arrivals are fighting for a larger share of the EV market, which is seeing increased competition. In the upcoming years, how Tesla negotiates this congested market while upholding its innovation-first philosophy will be critical. Furthermore, it will be crucial for Tesla to comprehend and serve a variety of markets as it grows internationally. Tesla's global voyage is as much a cultural inquiry as it is a corporate expansion, involving everything from navigating diverse legal regimes to comprehending unique consumer patterns. Tesla's mission goes beyond simply marketing electric cars. It's a movement, a kind of revolution with the goal of transforming how people view energy and transportation. With so much ahead of us, we can only eagerly anticipate where Tesla's incredible adventure will lead us next. Tesla is no longer merely an automobile or tech company. It has evolved into a cultural phenomenon in many respects. Beyond their advantages for the environment, Tesla vehicles have come to symbolize a particular status. They're creative, elegant, and a popular conversation starter at parties. For many, they represent optimism that luxury and environmental conscience can coexist together. Automotive education is likewise being reshaped.